In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on or off background app refresh for individual apps on iPhone. Alright, I'm on the home screen right now, and we're going to do this through settings inside the app section by selecting the app you want and flipping the background app refresh switch for that one app. So first I'm going to open the settings app, the grey gear icon. If it's not on the page you're on, just swipe left or right until you spot it. Once you see settings, go ahead and tap it to open. Okay, now settings is open, and we need to go into apps. So at this point I'm scrolling down the list until I see apps. I'm moving steadily and watching the labels as they pass by. Alright, I see apps, so I'm tapping on apps. Now we're on the apps screen, and this is where you can choose the specific app you want to change settings for. In this case we're using Apple Store, so at this point I'm going to scroll through the app list and find Apple Store. I'm moving slowly so I don't skip past it. Alright, I see Apple Store, so I'm tapping on Apple Store. Now we're inside the Apple Store app settings page. This is where you'll find options that apply specifically to Apple Store. The next thing we need is background app refresh. So I'm scanning down this page until I see background app refresh, and once I find it you'll see a toggle switch next to it. At this point you can turn background app refresh on or off for this app. To turn it on, I'm tapping the background app refresh toggle so it switches to the on position. Once it's on, it should look active, and that's your confirmation it's enabled. And if you ever want to turn it off instead, you'd tap that same toggle back to the off position and it would look inactive. Either way, there's no save button here, so the change applies immediately as soon as you flip the switch. Once it's set the way you want, you can tap back or exit settings whenever you're ready, and background app refresh will now be enabled or disabled for that individual app.